If AnyDesk is giving you error 999, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix step by step. This issue is usually caused by corrupted configuration files or a background process that didn't close properly, and in most cases you can solve it in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end, and if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you want to close AnyDesk completely. This part is important because even if you close the main window, AnyDesk may still be running in the background. Look at the system tray near the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the AnyDesk icon there, right-click it and choose Quit or Exit. This makes sure the app is fully closed before we continue. Next, we need to make sure there are no leftover background processes still active. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see everything running on your computer. Now look through the processes list for anything related to AnyDesk. You may see one or more AnyDesk processes still running in the background. Right-click each AnyDesk process and choose End Task. This step helps clear out anything stuck that could be causing the error. Now that AnyDesk is fully closed, we're going to remove the configuration files that may be causing the problem. Press Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %ProgramData %\AnyDesk and then press Enter. This will open the AnyDesk folder stored in ProgramData on your computer. Inside this folder, look for two files named system.conf and service.conf. These files can sometimes become corrupted, and deleting them will allow AnyDesk to rebuild fresh ones the next time it starts. Select system.conf and service.conf, then delete them. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Don't worry, this will not remove AnyDesk itself, only the problematic configuration files. After that, close the folder window and restart AnyDesk. Open it normally and check whether error 999 is gone. In many cases, AnyDesk will start fresh and work correctly after removing those files. If the error still appears, try restarting your computer and then opening AnyDesk again so all changes can take effect. If this fix worked for you, make sure to like the video so more people can find it, and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this one. I upload simple step-by-step solutions to common software problems, so if you run into any more issues, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.